This is the assembly instruction video for the Moonshell token holder. And these are all the pieces that you'll need. You'll have the pieces over on this side are going to be for the large tokens. These pieces here are going to be for the small tokens, and this is going to be the floor piece to kind of hold everything together. Also note in your little bag of little goodies, there's going to be some rubber feet. So you'll just need 4 of the 8 that were included, and they will be placed where there's little circles drawn on this floor piece. All right, so the very beginning, we're gonna start with these, and do note that they do look very similar, but these 2 pieces are unique. The center 2 pieces, the kind of peaks that come up, are shorter on one and higher on the other. Do also note, as we are assembling, we do highly recommend that you use wood glue when assembling. And when we do put in our pieces, we like to kind of put them inside the little notches before we attach them. All right, so for this first one, we're gonna start with this outside wall for the small tokens. And that's gonna be the piece that has the higher center peaks. And we're gonna first take our the mid walls for the small tokens, and these are unique in that the very top is going to have a point on one end, and that pointy end is going to be the part that we want to use to attach to the outside small token piece. And so again, this is going to be, you're going to look for the piece that has the side that has this point to it. And then you're just gonna put a little bit of glue on the outside here. And on this side here, we're gonna use to attach right in here. Then you're gonna do that one more time. There should be 2. And that's what it should look like. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the remaining 2 pieces that have almost kind of they have a little moon shape, crescent moon shape on the top. There's gonna be 2 of those, and these will be our side walls. And it doesn't matter which side you attach, and then put a little bit of glue and attach those on the inside on this outside wall piece. All right, now that we've got those little divider pieces, the mid wall and the outside wall pieces attached, we're now gonna take the other side that has the smaller peaks, and we're gonna put that right on top of where what we've just assembled. I would recommend just putting a little bit of wood glue on the inside here. All right, so we're gonna put that piece to the side for now. We're gonna do something very similar, and this is now gonna be for the large token holder. And so just like before, there's gonna be a center peak that's shorter, and that's gonna be on the inside. And there's gonna be one that has a peak that's just as tall as all the rest, the same size. And this one's gonna have one mid-wall piece, and it's gonna be a unique piece that has kind of this little peak, something that kind of sticks out on the end there. And so this is the piece that we're gonna use when we're first assembling and putting inside, attaching to this outside wall piece. And so we're gonna take the mid wall piece and attach it to the outside wall. And then after that, we're gonna take the 2 sidewall pieces that have that crescent moon indent on them. And it doesn't matter which side we use for this one when we're inserting and attaching to the large token outside wall piece. And the last step is we're gonna have, this is the one, again, the inside wall that has a smaller peak in the middle, and that we're just gonna place on top of what we've assembled so far here. And if you're putting glue, just put the glue inside on these little indents here around the notches, and then just place that right on top. All right, now that we have those two set, with the floor piece, there will be little circles in the corners. That's gonna be the bottom of your floor piece, and go ahead and put the rubber feet and place them right where those circles are. Then we'll flip that over. And then on this side, we're gonna notice there's a series of cutouts. So the one side that has 4 going across, that's gonna be where we are gonna place the small token holder that we assembled very first. And then the one that has the 3 going across, that's gonna be the second one that we assembled. And so the nice thing too is, if you'll notice very, very carefully, the notches are actually very unique in size. And we did that on purpose so that if for whatever reason you were accidentally trying to insert this the wrong way, it actually would not fit. So don't try to force this too hard, because if it's not working, there's probably a chance that maybe you just need to rotate it. And the side that should be on the outside are the higher peaks, or the outside walls of what we assembled. All right, so first we're gonna take the small token and we're gonna find that side. So this side that is higher, had the higher peaks, and that's gonna be on the outside wall here. We're gonna assemble it just like this. Put that right inside of the floor piece. All right, once that's nice and secure, then we're gonna look and take this, and we're gonna look for that side, and this is gonna be this side here. We're gonna look for that side that has the higher peak, and that's gonna be on the outside again of this floor piece. And so the higher peak on the outside, I'm gonna put some wood glue on the insides there. All right, and then there you have it.